You are driving up a steep hill, needing that extra kick of power, but suddenly your car feels like it has hit a wall and refuses to accelerate, forcing you into the slow lane. This terrifying loss of power is often your car entering what we call limp mode, and it is frequently caused by trouble code P006E. This code translates to turbocharger or supercharger boost control A, supply voltage circuit low. In modern American vehicles with forced induction, like those from Ford, Dodge, or Chevy, the engine uses a boost control solenoid to regulate how much pressure the turbo generates. This little component adjusts the vanes inside the turbocharger to deliver the exact amount of air needed for the power you are demanding. The engine computer monitors the voltage going to the solenoid on the A circuit. When that voltage drops below the specific limit set by the manufacturer, the computer assumes it has lost control of the turbo boost. This is a severe issue because without control, the turbo could overboost and destroy your engine internals, or underboost and cause a stall. That is why the car goes into limp mode to protect itself. Aside from the check engine light, you will notice erratic power delivery, terrible throttle response, and an inability to climb hills. The causes are often physical or electrical. The boost control solenoid lever might be stuck, broken, or bent. Electrical corrosion is a major culprit, especially in states where we use salt on the roads, leading to high resistance in the connectors. Wiring can also become frayed or shorted to ground. Troubleshooting this requires caution because turbochargers generate immense heat that can cause severe burns. Wait for the engine to cool down completely. Start by locating the boost control solenoid, usually mounted on the charger itself. Try to move the mechanical lever by hand. It should move relatively freely. If it is stuck, the solenoid is likely defective. Next, unplug the electrical connector and inspect the pins for any green or white corrosion. If you see corrosion, that is likely your voltage drop right there. Check the wiring harness carefully for heat damage, as these wires run very close to the hot exhaust housing. If the wiring is intact and the lever moves, the solenoid itself is usually the bad part and needs replacement. However, if you find that the turbo vanes inside are clogged with heavy exhaust soot, especially on diesel trucks, the entire turbo assembly might need professional cleaning or replacement. If you have checked the mechanical lever and the wiring but the code persists, or if you see melted wires that act like a short circuit, you should seek a professional mechanic immediately to avoid turning a sensor repair into a full engine replacement.